people are very much religious or very much, you can say, devotee or bhakti yoga people, and they have very good faith in the universe. So if the people are that type of the kind, so this workshop is very relevant to them actually, because if we are devotee, if we are religious, if we have full faith in the universe, we are by default doing all these activities from our childhood, like if we learn from our elders or the parents and the grandparents. So this is in our blood actually. So and this is very good. Like if somebody is that kind of the situation, this is really awesome. In that case, person can surrender completely to the universe without any doubt, and with the full faith and with the full trust in the universe. Okay, everything is happening from the universe, and I am just a puppet. So I am, nobody is going to put any effort. However, sometime the what is the side effect of this, like people used to think, okay, I should not do anything because everything is done by the universe. However, like it is a very less percentage of the people like who can think of that. It mostly it should not be, because but people used to take these statements for the doing the argument. Okay, if you have that much of the devotion to the universe, okay, if the universe will do everything for you, okay, then you sit ideal, he will do everything for you. This is not that type of the thing actually. So what we can say to them, or what is the logic is, universe has given us the brain, universe has given us the thoughts, universe has given us the power to implement that power, to implement our small inner universe, our small world, our small society, our small country, our small world. So this world, if you will see, that is created by the creation of the universe. All the states, all the countries, all the people, all around the world are like uh, made their cultures, their society, their values, and even if you will see the one village to another village in the one country, you will find the people are the different kind. They have the different rituals to follow. So what does that mean actually? That is the meaning. Like yes, we have given power by the universe, and universe has given us the freedom. We can create something. So that is the important point here to know. So when we are giving the full faith in the universe and full trust, hope in the universe, at the same time, we should also think about some dreams. We should think about how I can do something good. So when you are doing the puja archana to the universe, so at that time you can keep your thoughts in the one pointedness, one direction, to the one goal. If you are looking for something, so that will make a more that will like is also good. This is the one another category. However, the one another the other category is like we we give the our devotion or the surrender to the universe without any expectation. We don't have any desire. We are not looking back anything from the universe. However, whatever is happening, we are happy, and we are the obedient child. So this is also a very good category. So you can find out in which category you follow, come in though. So on the other side, I told one is the devotional side, and the another side is people are so much in themselves. I do this, I do that, I do this all the time. They used to say I. So they are not connected with the universe. They are thinking they are doing everything, which is not completely true. Universe has given you the power. At the same time, the main remote is with the universe. Universe can give you birth, universe can make us die one day, universe can give us everything, which is coming to us. However, now what is our role in that case? Because we should not be so much I centric. So there is a difference between I am and I. This I is egoistic and I am is very powerful. I am is the way to connect with the universe. So I am powerful, I am loveful, I am connected with the universe. That I am is inner conscious. However, when we are saying I do this, I that I am that I can do this. So where is I? So that make us so much egoistic. We are not taking the people in a team. We are not connected with the other people, and at that time what will happen, universe will give us the lessons. Okay, you are not running the show, actually I am running the show. So if you will see the current situation what is going due to corona, so this situation what we have, this is the big message of the universe. You are not doing the show, I am doing the show. So as much like we will, we are sending prayers to universe, we are sending healings many places, lot of good karmas people are doing right at this time. So this is kind of message we are sending to the universe. Okay, we learned our lesson, please give us the normal scenario which was earlier, because lot of frustration is also there in the environment, because people are not able to moving out. So all the energies we are getting stuck in at the one place. So in that case um, I attended the one session of the pranic healing, and in that session they have given the gratitude to corona also, like corona, please go away, we learned our lesson, thank you, due to you we are connected with our roots back, and kindly forgive us now and please go back. Because this, if you will see, when everything will come to normal and the vaccination will come to the market for this particular disease, so when the people will study in the history, so that will come like a one lesson for the mankind. So corona has come, how the people has overcome that situation, how the countries has responded to that particular, how the people have responded, how what you have done. So all these things will be one day will be history. So in that time what you have done, or then we can say like yes, these are the benefits we got at that time period, and we are like increasing our immunity and our resistance power, our tolerance. The biggest feel is my feel is this disease is giving us the patience, tolerance, connection with our core roots, recognizing the power of the universe. Yes, universe is there. So and the biggest message is hope and faith in the universe. If you will see what bad karma we have done, that is coming up for everyone. If somebody has done the small bad karma, somebody has done the bad karma, everybody is getting the fruit of that kind what the person was doing during this time period, during this pause. So we are doing the forgiveness. So this particular time is giving us the learning of forgiveness. We should forgive the people because we don't know when we will die. Any time, any moment, any person can die. So we, what we should do, we should make our path clean all the time, every time, like I am forgiving all. At the same time we should not hurt the other people. If we are not able to see the other people next time, or that the forgiveness is the one message, like we should learn. Yes, we should start forgiving the people immediately. We should ask for the forgiveness so that no baggage we should carry with ourselves anytime in our lifetime. Then acceptance is the another message of this particular disease has given us, like how the things are coming, whatever is with you, you have to accept it. Some I know that some people are spouses are far away, some kids are far away from the families, However, they are surviving by accepting the current situation. This is my situation, this is my place, and this is my home right now. I have to survive, I have to be live. Okay, I shouldn't be depressed, I shouldn't be frustrated, irritated in this particular time, because this is the message. Again, if you are not accepting, you don't have any other option. It is totally locked. It is properly locked, and it's so beautifully locked. Only universe can open this. Nobody can open. Even the vaccination will come. That will come with the universe blessing to someone, and then everybody will get benefited. And we should just pray to the universe. Please send the vaccination. Give the some energy to the someone to make that connect with the universe and get the vaccination ready. And this vaccination should be available all the places all over the world free of cost for everyone on this earth, so that it should be taken care. So that is only the solution. Putting the mask is not the solution. This is the precaution. But the solution is the vaccination. So we should put our energy to pray to the universe to get the vaccination for helping the all mankind. When you are praying for all mankind, you will be taken care by default. I know this is little our preachy today's session, but the hope and faith when you are talking about, so these examples will definitely come in that. Then the third is the gratitude. If you will see what we have completed, so gratitude, like if we are not grateful, we are alive today. Thank you, Supreme God. We are awake. We have the one more day for our dreams. We have one more day with our family. We have one more day with our current scenario which we created. Think of that, like you got the education, you got the job, you are running the family, and thank you God, we are in that time period only. Because if we are going to the next birth, it is again this, everything will start from the childhood. So that, thank you, we are aware, we are conscious, we are living this life, and we have the next new day with the beautiful people. We can change our world by giving the gratitude to all of the people around us, our family members. Okay, so this is the another message. And loving ourselves, loving everybody. This is the another message. We have not seen ourselves for the long time. Whenever we have seen the mirror, we just seen the mirror how I am looking to go to the world, how I am going to the office, how I will going to be looking into today's dress because I am going out, I am going to meet someone. But in this time period, when you are looking in the mirror, you are looking for yourself. You are just looking for yourself, how I am looking today at my home. So this is the another, like loving yourself and loving your environment. Then you can make the environment peaceful and calm. And the last important step in this particular time period is hope and faith in the universe. What is the hope? Universe is taking care of us day and night. Universe is sending the precaution. Universe is sending the vaccination. Universe, we have learned our lesson. So let the lockdown open. Let the things come normal. We learned our lesson. Please, Karuna, thank you so much. We learned our lesson. Go back now so that we will remember you in terms of like we learned our lesson. So we are matured, aware, conscious now. So please go back, Karuna. So by that way, these type of the prayers are definitely going to help everyone, not only you, but the further mankind. So this is the hope. Universe is taking care of us, and everything will be normal. Everything is coming to normal, and the faith in the universe, like all the show is running by the universe. Definitely, universe will take care of their children. So this is all about from my side for today's session, and tomorrow activities are we have to share the thank you moment. Whatever activities we selected for ourselves, we can keep doing that. Or if you can change, you can share in the group, or you can change according to your particular choice. For example, due to some reasons, I was not able to, I think, complete my mon for 1 hour. So I think 30 minutes I did because of my meditation. It will automatically will happen, would be happen, but with the awareness I cannot commit like I have done that. However, I listen Sukhmani Sahab by doing my work during the day. So that way, like that one, I changed one my parameter for today's day. So because sometimes you are not getting the same environment, so that is the reason we are selecting optional options. We are giving the option to select any of the activities. So you can select your activities and you can keep doing for the coming days also. And another beautiful sharing is okay, that's fine. And so somebody has asked me about the Soham. So I think Apurva has asked about what is the meaning of Soham. Soham is, yeah, Soham is a beautiful, very ancient mantra of our Indian spiritualism, or in Indian Santa or yoga path. So, and this is basically the mantra to connect with the universe. So, this is the only mantra and very small mantra to connect with the universe. And it is so powerful, so powerful. If you will see in our all the religious book, this mantra is there. You will be surprised. When I heard about this mantra, I was in the graduation, and because I was the science student, so I had the curiosity to know the meaning of the mantra, how it is available, how I can, why I should do that, what is the purpose, and how I can be benefited, or how it it is connected to the universe. You will be surprised. In Guru Granth Sahib, this mantra is there. In Bhagavad Gita, Adhyay 13, this mantra is there. And in our every meditation, mostly which are the very good schools, like actually God relies, I can say, or self relies Sant or yogis, they have this mantra very respectfully considerable. And this is really powerful. So I checked in Sukh Sagar or Bhagavad Gita and Guru Granth Sahib. I found this mantra is there. So now come to the what is the meaning of this mantra, and this is the power source. This is the biggest source. If you will ask what is the gift of hope and faith meditation or hope and faith workshop, because after every workshop you people are getting the one gift. You are not recognizing, but your subconscious mind is getting the one gift. Forgiveness has given you the Ho'oponopono meditation. That is the one gift hidden. At the same time, that is giving you the power to forgive the people or asking the forgiveness. When you are doing the acceptance workshop, you are more connected with your loved ones. When you are doing the gratitude workshop, you are inviting the blessings in your life. You are finding the diamonds all the day during the day. Okay, what is my thank you moment? This is my thank you moment. Sometimes you are finding more than one thank you moment. So this is the beauty of the gratitude workshop, and this is the gift given to for you for the gratitude workshop, because now you are finding lot of gratitude moments during the day. At the same time, love meditation or the love workshop has given you loving yourself, power of the mirror, power of given you the best friend of your life, that is you. So your best friend you got from the love workshop. And now the hope and faith is that this knowledge of Soham. So the meaning of the soul is Ishwar, is universe, is Paramatma. Hum is the meaning of Hamari Atma. Hum matlab ki we are. So when we are saying the so hum, That is the meaning of we are connected. मैं परमात्मा का बच्चा हूँ. I am the child of Supreme God. I am connected with universe. I am that I am. मैं वही हूँ जो वो है. मैं उसका ही अंश हूँ. आत्मा परमात्मा का अंश है. That is written in अध्याय नंबर 2 भगवद गीता, 13वां अध्याय भगवद गीता. So मैं आत्मा परमात्मा का अंश है. So this is the connection. So हम people used to say Soham, or they can also say I am the child of God, I am connected with the universe. So these lines we are using in the English language. At the same time, this is the small mantra which we can use to connect with the universe. So that is the reason, because we are doing the hope and faith series or the workshop. So then I thought, like, let it add it there, so that it is a small thing to add to connect you with, directly connect to you the universe. So hum, so hum, so hum. So when you are saying the so, that means you are sending the vibration to the universe. And then hum, inhale so, exhale hum. So we are inhaling, that means we are sending the vibration to the universe. Exhaling, that means we are taking the blessings in, we are making the connection with our atma or our soul. So this is most important, the best knowledge of the spiritualism. So I feel like people in the group are very powerful or very spiritual. Otherwise, this type of the knowledge sharing is, you can say, like, it is topmost knowledge sharing. That is the reason I am not keeping the क्या बोलते हैं उसको sessions on the YouTube also, because this hope and faith is totally your connect with the universe. This time we are not keeping, because this is a silent activity we are doing. Next time we will try, if we can keep there on the YouTube also, or separately if we can maintain. So this is all about from my side. I think Apurva, your question has been answered. Thank you. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you. Yeah, Surendra ji. Hmm. Ha. Now here, yes, yes. Really nice lines. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, Manjula ji. Okay, so let me understand your question. Let me correct if I am asking again. You are asking, like, you received some bad karma, so you are connecting that bad karma to the past lifetime, birth time. Like, it is coming because you are thinking like you have done bad to the person, so that is the reason this is coming to you. In that way, you are connecting. Is it? So this is you. This is ha. That is perfectly fine, Manjula ji. In this direction, there are two kind of the thought process. One is, this is your thought only. Like, this is, you have not seen your past birth time. So one understanding, mature understanding is, it is not required. Maybe you have not done the bad to the same person, because person can be vary. Relationship is definitely can be there. Even the relationship can also vary. If we have given the pain to someone in the past karma, so it is coming to us in this karma, and we have to like suffer that sufferings, or we have to go through with that pain in that lifetime karma. So this is the one connection your mind is making. Okay, now come to the practical situation. Okay, forget that there is no past birth time karma. You are like here and you are receiving anything. So think in that way. If I am getting something as a fruit which I should not get, which is giving me pain actually. I'm not happy with that particular situation. Suffering is not good feeling, giving me good feeling. So what should I do? So if you will not relate, still you have to rectify. If you are going to relate, then you will just focusing on that particular person. Definitely I have done bad for him or her, that is the reason the person is doing to me. So person is nowhere who's giving the suffering to us. That is the relation, or our connection with that relation is giving the suffering to us. So our connection with that particular relation is giving the suffering to us. So in that case, we have to first recognize, okay, this person is just an object. This is any let me tell you one example to more clarify. If you somebody is giving you pain, okay, and you are leaving that person, or you are going to the some other person, and the other person is also start giving you pain. So what is the point actually? Point is not the person's actually. Person can vary, however the pain is same. So the point is we should recognize the pain. We have to cure the pain, not the person. Person is just object for me. अगर ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं देगा तो कोई और आके दे देगा. Let me tell you one example, like managers. If please forgive me for that, like if some people have to think like I got very bad manager, he's not helping me or she's not helping me, so I should change my project. The person is changing the project, and the another person is also making the same time of the situation. That situation will not be resolved till then you will not start thinking separately or differently. Now come to the cure. You recognize this is the problem, which is very important. Problem statement is the most important thing. We should able to find out what is the problem statement, and after that, only after that we can work on the solution. Sometimes we are not clear with the problem. We are just focusing on the person. We are not getting the problem statement. So not focusing on the person, we should focus on the what is the problem statement. Why this relation is paining for me. So in that case, now you have first of all solution step. First of all, you think I have the power. I am the child of Supreme God, and remote control is with me, not with the other person. This is my life. This is my decisions. This is my ownership. Whatever is will come to me. That will come to me because I am letting coming to that thing to me. That is the ownership is very much required. मैं कुछ भी करूँगी उसका मुझे फल मिलेगा, and I am going to attend that fruit. That is bad, or first of all the control is with me. Third thing, like I am not going to accept any bad from anybody. Whatever is going to be happen, I am self capable. I am not going to entertain any bullshit or any negative things from anybody. This is not my cup of tea. So that way you are making a protection. You are making a barrier around your uh, surroundings. Okay, this is my place, and I am not the next most important step. I am not going to do bad anything, because that will create my karma and I have to resolve it. So I am not going to entertain anything bad from anybody. At the same time, I am not going to do bad to anyone. Whatever this person is saying, that is perfectly fine. I'm not listening. At the same time, you should start finding the gratitude. Try to find out, try to focus on the blessing side. What are the blessings? Focus on those people, focus on those events, focus on those situations which are giving you power, because you have to make your power up. That is the negativity, and other side is the positivity. So which is making you positive? If some music is making you positive, meditation is making you positive, healing is making you positive, do that more, so that the negative जो अपना एविल है और जो डेविल है, जो भी है राक्षस है अपना, वो थोड़ा काम डाउन हो जाएगा. When you have more PMA, which is positive mental attitude, then NMA is not going to survive. That is going to be just slow, go smaller. But what are your PMAs? What is giving you positivity? Your meditations, your workshops, your work, your bacha, your food, your water, your social connect, whatever is giving you the power, enhance that, get that power, connect with those people, and make yourself up. When you are up, slowly negativity will go down, and this is no in that case it is not related to your past time karma. It is just you are, what problem you are getting today, right now, you are just resolving it. Live in the moment, live in the present. Okay, this is I am getting as a problem, I have to resolve it, and this is my capability, how fast I am going to resolve it. This is my immune system. But the immune system kahan se aayega? With your positivity, with your meditations, with your supreme connect, with your inner conscious and the ownership. Yes, I did bad, but I'm going to resolve it right now, in this moment. I have to resolve it. Okay? So by that ownership or the confidence will give you the power to solve the problems. I hope that will help you. जी अपूर्वा जी, you want to say something? Okay जी. या हाँ अपूर्वा बोलो. हाँ yeah, we will do ना. 8:30 we will do in the morning ना. So that we have planned for the remaining 2 more days ना, till we will complete this workshop ना. Even on the day of happiness also we will do that meditation. We will conclude all these series with the meditation. Thank you. Okay ji, thank you all. Thank you for joining. Yeah, Vanna ji. Thank you, Vanna ji. Thank you for joining. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. God bless you all. decision now.